Alright guys, right, I'm going to do something which I don't really do, I've never done before, is I'm going to do a bit of an inbox review. Ooh, everybody says. No, they don't really, it's just in my head. Anyway, yeah, I'm going to do an inbox review. I've got that time now, I've completed one build, I've got another build which is all built, I'm just sort of building the dio base. So now it's time to start sticking some more plastic together. So I've decided, I went through my stash, I'm going to have a go at building, only build this. The Trumpeter Russia SAM-6 anti-aircraft missile. Now I chose out my stash because it's something a bit different. It's Trumpeter, the box, as you can see on the box, there's lights at the way. You can't see nothing because the lights are in the way. Hang on, let me move my lights around so you can see. No, hang on, I'll get there eventually. No, still got the glare. Anyway, oh, you got some glare. So on the box is the picture. So put these lights back because they're in my face now. Yeah, so there's the cover. Variation there on the side. The all green version. A little bit of info on the SAM-6 anti-aircraft missile. But it's in English. It's a translation of that. And I don't know if a lot of people know this, but on Trumpeter kits sometimes they can be very interesting, to say the least, as in trying to work out what the hell they're on about. Anyway, so that's the box. Now I've took this, before I open the box, I have took the stuff out the bag and bin the bags, but yeah, I mean this on the front of the box. Length is 129.5 millimeters, width is 90.8 millimeters, height is 97.8 millimeters. There's a photo etch parts 292 parts, total sprues 11, it says 11, total sprues 11 pieces. Well, we'll have a look, eh? So yeah, so that's the cover. And like I said, I have took him to make the bags. But as you can see probably from this, it's typical Trumpeter. I mean it's spot on, it's crisp. There's nice parts on there. And you can see on that part there, the teeth look quite good, look really good on that. You know, just nice parts. It's link and length tracks. There's 2 sprues of those. Again, they look superb. Look very nice. Again, various parts. But again, there's no flash anywhere. Yeah, so there's 2 sprues of it, practically everything. The wheels, and I'm assuming these are the parts of the missiles. Some wheels. Again, there's 3 sprues of those. There's not a lot of parts to it, to be perfectly fair. More body panels, tools, a bit of cleanup on the spade there, but I don't know if you're going to see that beyond my hand. I'm trying to look on a little screen, I can't see. Yeah, anyway, there's a little bit of cleanup on the spade there. But apart from that, everything else, there's no obvious bits of flash. I mean, there's little bits, but nothing that's going to affect. Or you go, oh, you know, I'm sick of finding flash out. Oops. The upper hull part. It's very nice. there's the photo etch there, some wire cable, some rubber piping of different things, and a couple of springs. The lower hull, which is detailed, which I like about Trumpeter, because a lot of their stuff is detailed. Not that anybody's going to ever see it, but 2005 it says here, Sam 6, very detailed. And then there's the decal sheet, or decals, whatever, stickers, whatever you want to call them. So yeah, this is my next build that I shall be starting this time. I'll just put these back in the box, and then I'll show you the instructions I stuck in the box earlier. Now you know why I don't do inbox reviews or whatever you call them, because I'm rubbish at them. You get the colour call outs. You've got two. You've got this one here with the camouflage scheme, which I quite like, or you've got the plain markings. I haven't decided which ones I'm going to do yet. You have to look up and see what's what. Because at the moment our my model club are doing Cold War theme, so I'm gonna see what's what and have a look and see which one suits what, if any. The instructions comes in a booklet, which I do like a booklet. Sprue map, wheels go on, tracks. I'm building the tracks. What's this one? Tow cables, lights, body panels, usual stuff. Some painting guides, bit of photo etch there to be bent. There's the log there. And then there's the missiles, launch pad assembly, so yeah, you see from all that, I mean there's 20 stages. The only downside to it that I can see is there's no crew, which is a shame, because I reckon that would be cool with a crew, but never mind. So yeah, so this is my my next build, the Russia Sam 6 anti-aircraft missile, 1/35 scale. Item, there I go, that's what I was looking for. Trumpeter, item number, kit number 00361. So that is a very quick, very simple inbox review of my next build. So quick and simple, take it easy guys. I'll look out for the updates. Catch you later guys, bye.